50 kalimat mudah bahasa Inggris di bandara. Excuse me, where is the check-in counter? Excuse me, where is the check-in counter? Permisi, di mana letak counter check-in? Can you help me find my gate? Can you help me find my gate? Boleh tolong bantu saya menemukan gate saya? Where is the baggage claim area? Where is the baggage claim area? Di mana area pengambilan bagasi? What time does my flight board? What time does my flight board? Jam berapa penerbangan saya berangkat? Is there free Wi-Fi in the airport? Is there free Wi-Fi in the airport? Apakah ada Wi-Fi gratis di bandara? Can you tell me where the nearest restroom is? Can you tell me where the nearest restroom is? Bisa tolong beritahu saya di mana toilet terdekat? How do I get to the duty-free shops? How do I get to the duty-free shops? Bagaimana saya bisa ke toko bebas bea? Can you recommend a good restaurant in the airport? Can you recommend a good restaurant in the airport? Adakah rekomendasi restoran enak di bandara? What is the flight status of flight number? What is the flight status of flight number? Apa status penerbangan, nomor penerbangan? Is there a charging station nearby? Is there a charging station nearby? Adakah fasilitas cas terdekat? Can I exchange currency here? Can I exchange currency here? Bisakah saya menukar mata uang di sini? How much does it cost to park here? How much does it cost to park here? Berapa biaya parkir di sini? Can I use this lounge if I'm not a member? Can I use this lounge if I'm not a member? Bolehkah saya di ruang tunggu ini meski saya bukan anggota? Where can I find a taxi? Where can I find a taxi? Di mana saya bisa menemukan taksi? If I have connecting flights, do I have to recheck in it? If I have connecting flights, do I have to recheck in it? Jika saya ganti pesawat, perlukah check-in lagi? Can I bring my carry-on luggage onto the plane? Can I bring my carry-on luggage onto the plane? Bisakah saya membawa barang bawaan saya ke pesawat? Can I change my seat assignment? Can I change my seat assignment? Dapatkah saya mengubah kursi berbayar milik saya? Where can I buy snacks for the plane? Where can I buy snacks for the plane? Di mana saya bisa membeli camilan untuk di pesawat? Can you tell me where the smoking area is? Can you tell me where the smoking area is? Bisa beritahu saya letak area merokok? Can I get a boarding pass if I check in online? Can I get a boarding pass if I check in online? Bisakah saya mendapatkan boarding pass jika saya check-in online? What is the weight limit for the checked baggage? What is the weight limit for the checked baggage? Berapa batas berat bagasi tercatat? Can I bring liquids on a plane? Can I bring liquids on a plane? Apakah boleh membawa cairan di dalam pesawat? How long does it take to get through security? How long does it take to get through security? Berapa lama proses pemeriksaan keamanan? Is there a lost and found here? Is there a lost and found here? Apakah ada unit lost and found di sini? Can I use my phone on the plane? Can I use my phone on the plane? Bolehkah saya menggunakan ponsel di pesawat? Is there a shuttle service to the hotel? Is there a shuttle service to the hotel? Apakah ada layanan antarjemput ke hotel? Can I bring my pet on the plane? Can I bring my pet on the plane? Bisakah saya membawa hewan peliharaan ke dalam pesawat? How do I cancel my flight? How do I cancel my flight? Bagaimana cara membatalkan penerbangan saya? Can I upgrade my seat? Can I upgrade my seat? Bisakah saya upgrade kursi saya? What is the best way to get to the city center? What is the best way to get to the city center? Apa cara terbaik untuk bisa ke pusat kota? How do I retrieve my checked baggage? How do I retrieve my checked baggage? Bagaimana cara mengambil bagasi terdaftar saya? Is there a place to store my luggage? Is there a place to store my luggage? Apakah ada tempat untuk menyimpan barang bawaan saya? Can I pre-order duty-free items? Can I pre-order duty-free items? Bisakah saya memesan barang bebas bea? How do I check in for my flight? How do I check in for my flight? Bagaimana cara check-in untuk penerbangan saya? Can I check in my baggage the night before my flight? Can I check in my baggage the night before my flight? Bisakah saya check-in di malam sebelum penerbangan saya? Is there a children's play area? Is there a children's play area? Apakah ada tempat bermain anak-anak? Can I change my flight schedule? Can I change my flight schedule? Bisakah saya mengubah jadwal penerbangan saya? How to get to the airport? How to get to the airport? Bagaimana caranya ke bandara? Can I get a refund on my ticket? Can I get a refund on my ticket? Bisakah saya mendapatkan pengembalian dana untuk tiket saya? Where's the information center? Where is the information center? Di manakah pusat informasi? How do I print my boarding pass? How do I print my boarding pass? Bagaimana cara saya mencetak boarding pass? Can I buy a SIM card here? Can I buy a SIM card here? Bisakah saya membeli kartu SIM di sini? How do I request wheelchair assistance? How do I request wheelchair assistance? Bagaimana saya meminta bantuan kursi roda? Are there any hotels nearby the airport? Are there any hotels nearby the airport? Adakah hotel terdekat dari bandara? Where's the money changer? Where is the money changer? Di manakah tempat penukaran uang? Where's the departure? Where is the departure? Di manakah terminal keberangkatan? Where is the arrival? Where is the arrival? Di manakah terminal kedatangan? Can I use my laptop on the plane? Can I use my laptop on the plane? Bisakah saya memakai laptop dalam pesawat? How do I know which gate to go to? How do I know which gate to go to? Bagaimana caranya saya tahu gate yang harus saya tuju? Can I get a receipt for my parking? Can I get a receipt for my parking? Boleh minta nota parkir?